Hey everybody, welcome back to Nelmer Kitchen. Today, I'll be making serradura, one of our favorite desserts here in our kitchen. In English, this translates to sawdust pudding. It is a well-known Portuguese dessert in all Portuguese homes, including Macao, China, and Goa, India. E agora, vamos lá. Serradura is easy to make and it takes about 15 minutes to prepare. With only a few ingredients, you can make enjoyable memories doing this with the children in your life. And here are the ingredients. All you need is 500 milliliters of whipping cream, 250 milliliters of condensed milk, 200 grams of Maria biscuit, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's start by crushing the cookies in a Ziploc bag using a rolling pin. We can also do this by using the blender, but I like using the rolling pin to get all my frustration out. This is probably why my mother chose this method when I was chasing our cat around the house. Oh well. Next up, we'll add 2 cups of whipping cream to the bowl. Set your machine on high speed and start whipping. Later on, I have a few great tips that would really help you make the best serradura. While we are working on the whipping cream, feel free to hit that subscribe button and share this with a friend. We can always be found on Instagram and on Facebook, where you will always see what is currently cooking at Nelmar Kitchen. When our whipped cream is ready, stiff peaks will form. Depending on your machine, this should generally take about 4 minutes. We just don't want to overwhip. Now let's add our vanilla extract and our condensed milk, and you want to fold these together for about a minute. You are now ready to assemble into your cups. In a glass dish of your choice, add the whipping cream mixture to the bottom of the glass. Top that with an equal layer of crushed cookies. Continue this process with the remainder of your ingredients, always making sure to finish each with a layer of crushed cookies. Refrigerate for about 4 hours. Ensure you choose a wider lip glass. This will allow more room to create your layers and less spillage. Instead of creating individual cups, you can substitute and serve by using one big bowl. Just remember, presentation. Instead of using the traditional Maria cookies for your serradura toppings, you can replace by using your favorite dessert, your favorite candies, or even replacing with your favorite cookies. Now, stay tuned for what's coming up on Nelmar Kitchen. I will be making up the traditional Madeira bread bolo de caco, and after that, making the delicious dinner frango com pimentos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, beijinhos. Serradura is easy to make. Serradura is easy to make, and it takes about 15 minutes to make. Here are the ingredients. Don't like it. Serradura is easy to make. Nope.
One. No.
What happened?
Just make sure you're adjusted.
Serradura is easy to make and it takes 15 minutes. Let's start by crushing the cookies in a Ziploc bag Ziploc bag. Let's start by crushing the cookies with... Let's start by crushing the cookies in a Ziploc bag with a with a rolling pin. Is that weird? Next up, we'll add our whipping cream to the bowl. Now next up, we'll add our whipping cream to a bowl. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Nell. This is one of our favorite... It's... Hey everybody. Seriously, Nelson.